this module, we're going to talk about how to use a graduated cylinder and how to read the meniscus. First, I want to point out that, as always, I'm wearing my safety glasses. I can't just wear my regular glasses, no matter what I'm working with. Even though right now I just have water, we can encounter a lot of different things in the lab. So I always want to have my safety glasses on when I'm in the laboratory. The other thing you'll notice is that I am still wearing my protective gloves. These are nitrile. You can choose from nitrile or latex. Make sure that they fit, aren't too big, aren't too small, don't have holes or tears in them. And again, this is because this is kind of like community glassware, and I'm not sure what was in this glassware before I got to it. So I filled 2 graduated cylinders with water to demonstrate how to read these. This is a 250 ml graduated cylinder, and this is a 50 ml graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinders are designed so that these marks denote what the volume is in milliliters. And you can see the large lines are 20 milliliters. There's 130, 150, 170, 190. And then the smaller marks represent an increase in 2 milliliters. Water forms a concave surface with air in a glass cylinder called a meniscus. And in order to read the most accurate volume, I want to get down eye level to where the water level is. And I want to read the volume at the bottom of that dip. Now in a larger graduated cylinder like the 250 ml, it's kind of harder to get the same accuracy, which is why I have the smaller one. But for this larger one, if I'm right at eye level and I'm reading, there's 130, there's 150, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is about 158 milliliters. And I'm saying about because you can estimate that last digit. So you can call it 157.9 or well, right about there. With the smaller graduated cylinder, this 50 ml graduated cylinder, it's a little bit easier to read because the meniscus is constricted, and so it has a lot clearer or well-defined dip. And so I can read, again, the demarcations 20, 30, 40, and then if you count off, these smaller lines are 1 milliliter. So if I'm starting at 40, and again, I need to be at eye level. If I'm up too high, it's going to read too low, and if I'm down here, it's going to read too high. So right at eye level, this is 41, 42. So this is right at 42 milliliters. Also, with the narrower, smaller graduated cylinders, the meniscus is a lot deeper, and that makes it a little bit easier to read. When it's really broad and shallow, it's kind of hard to see where the bottom is. So if you can, use the smallest graduated cylinder possible for the reading, and that'll help you to have the most accurate volume measurement. So that's how to use a graduated cylinder.